What's up? Short information what the comp card is. Comp card, it's short from composition card. Yeah, it's some card with some basic your pictures, so client or custom director or agent can see how you look like and so on. So basically it's a standard size is 8.5 on 5.5 inches. Something like that. So on one side it can be like one big picture of you, it may be just only face or maybe half body. On another side, one big picture, it's usually what keep your attention, how you look like. It can be different, like in a shirt or maybe in a t-shirt or business suit, whatever, and few other pictures maybe in different style, different role, maybe some like sports style, business style, whatever, family man, it depends what role you can do, maybe fashion style, whatever. So much better if it will be in different foreshortening made and half body, full body, your face, so quite different. Also you can make like really simple comp card, just you look straight, 45 degrees, 90, 90, just few pictures on there, and some your details on the bottom like name, highway, age, your contact details, that's it. Because quite often when you come in a casting, they will ask for your printed comp card, just stick on a portfolio. They have a database online, but also they have a lot of paperwork. They have it and they stick it to your application form or so on. Sometimes models who like them, they put on a wall for certain projects for keep it in mind. So it's more you print is better for you, but if you in some modeling agency or modeling school, for sure they will do it for you. Also it might call not only composition card, it's Z card and have a lot of different names. Before that it called the Polaroid shoot, because people use a Polaroid before, who remember that. Let's make instant pictures for make same shoot like straight on a profile, 45 degrees and so on. So sometimes when they send to us a Polaroid shoot, so you'll know it's same kind of picture, but it's just an old style name. So you make just same kind of picture and send to them. And yeah, it's really good idea for make a few comp cards. Let's say for a fashion shoot, especially for a girl or dancers, you make a different kind of pictures. Let's say business style, you have a separate composition card. For fashion job, additional comp card, and for let's say sport shoot or any other kind of shoot, you make a separated composition card with certain pictures for a certain style. So it will be easier for you. You can send it, also you can print it if it's necessary. So it will help you to get a more job, because it will be way more easier for casting director or agent or client to choose a certain model for a certain job. So hopefully I was short enough and it will be useful for you for get more job and promote yourself and make your life easier in this industry, and later on explain way more.